Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable light mode on money.com. Maybe you want to keep things bright, or you simply prefer a more traditional look. So today I'm going to show you how to enable light mode on money.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the money.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, look for the theme option and tap on it. A menu will pop up below, and here you will see three options: light, dark, and system default. Now to enable light mode, you simply need to tap on this light option. After that, you now have successfully enabled light mode on money.com. You can now use the application in a brighter background, creating a more relaxed ambience and boosting your productivity. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable light mode on money.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable light mode on monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.